We will proceed to the last topic of this chapter, photoperiodism. So this is a final topic about under the plant hormone part lah. Okay. So before we go to photoperiodism, you need to know about the cytochrome first. So in our plant, there are also there are many pigments. The one of the pigment that you already learned is chlorophyll, right? Chlorophyll pigment. They will absorb the light, the blue light and the red light one, to induce the photosynthesis process. But not only chlorophyll pigment, there are also another pigment we call as phytochrome. Okay, this phytochrome actually is respond to the light too. It will respond to the light. So normally it will either absorb the red light and far red light. There are two types of light you need to remember: red light and far red light. To regulate many plant respond toward the light, including seed germination and shade avoidance, and also flowering process. So I need to explain about the red light and far red light, the mechanism between the cytochrome lah. So you see this, using this diagram, you see that PR is red light and PFR is far red light. Okay, so normally PR absorb red light in the maximum wavelength of 660, and then PFR, the maximum wavelength is 730 nanometer. And then during the light, we know that in sunny day, you still remember that you learn about the chlorophyll pigment. You remember that during the sunny day, there are two light that are highly found from the sunlight, which are what? Red light and also blue light, right? Red light and blue light. So during the day, meaning that PFR were higher than PR. Far red light is highly concentrated to red light. Why? Because during the sunny day, red light PR will be converted to PFR using the red light. So meaning that when there are the red light response toward the plant, PR akan tukar kepada PFR. So that is why that PFR akan sangat tinggi during the sunny day. Kerana semua PR ni dah tukar kepada PFR lah. So red light increase the PFR, but in vice versa for night. So during the malam, during the night, PR were higher than PFR. Why? Because during the night, red light is limited. No red light at all. No sunlight already. So no sunlight equal to no red light. So there are only far red light. So far red light is during the night. So during the night, all the far red light, PFR, cytochrome far red light will be converted into PR. So this is the very conversion process. PR akan tukar kepada PFR when they exposed to red light. So that is why that we call as PR, kerana dia absorb red light. Lepas tu dia akan tukar kepada PFR. And then PFR akan absorb far red light during the night, tukar kepada PR, red light, PR. So normally this process, it will inhibit the response to seed germination. So normally red light will increase the percentage of seed germination. Meaning that PFR is the form of phytochrome to trigger the development of the leading to seed germination. So PFR actually can seed germination, inhibit of vertical growth, stimulate the bunching, and also setting the internal control of flowering. Okay, next is about the photoperiodism. So normally this one is photoperiodism is highly related to the cytochrome because it is a response toward the specific night or day length, such as flowering. No, meaning that in one plant when they want to provide a response, you will see this one is based on the concentration or the the number of cytochrome only. So if your PFR is high, so you will initiate seed germination. But for this one, there is the physiological response to the night or day length, meaning that when the plant only will respond towards something when the night is reach the certain length. So like a flowering. So in our syllabus, we only focus on flowering process only. Flowering. So meaning that bila plant tu flower, bila tumbuhan tu berbunga. Kami tahu dah durian, pokok durian. We know that durian trees will only flower between June, July, and August only, right? Others period will not flowering. The durian tree will not flower. Why? Why only durian can flower during June, July, and August only? Why they cannot flower during January? Kenapa? Ada sebab dia. So normally in our syllabus, we focus on flowering based on the night or day length. So there are the two types of plant: long day plant and also short day plant. Okay, so long day plant are the meaning that this plant only will flower when the day length, the day length meaning the sunny day lah. The day length is longer than critical point. So there are the critical point at there, critical dark period. So normally critical dark period is on 12 hours lah. Either 12 hours lah. So meaning that in one day, when the day is more than 12 hours, meaning that the long day plant will flower. Conversely to short day plant, when the day is less than 12 hours, maybe only 8 hours, only 7 hours like that, it will flower. So this is two different things. Long day plant only will flower when the day is longer than critical point. In short day, the plant only will flower when the day length is shorter than critical dark period. So these are all, and then the above I take example. So normally the long day plant example includes tomato, rice, and dandelion. But actually there are more examples lah. But tomato, rice, and dandelion are the most famous. And then short day plant including soybean, poinsettias, and also chrysanthemums. Okay, so normally you need to know also the mechanism how the plant flower. So I already mentioned in short day plant, the plant only the flower when the daylight period is shorter than critical length. So meaning that another meaning is the dark period is longer than light period. So your PR level increase and your PFR level decrease. Right. In dark period, you still remember your PR increase because far red light is high. So all your PFR will absorb far red light and convert to PR. So that is why that your PR will increase. So that your high level of PR in short day plant will stimulate the Florigen. So Florigen is the key hormone, what we call as flowering hormone, to promote flowering. Okay, so that the flowering hormone acts as a Florigen hormone acts as a flowering hormone to induce flowering in short day plant. Okay, in long day plant, I already mentioned it only flower when the light period longer than critical length. So another meaning that when your dark period is shorter than light period, meaning that your PR level is decreased, right? Because your sunny day, your daylight is containing high amount of red light. So if you're containing high amount of red light, all the PR will be absorb the red light to convert to become PFR. So high level of PR in long day plant will stimulate the inactivate Florigen. So similar to that. So high PFR in long day plant will stimulate inactivate Florigen hormone become activate, and then this hormone will stimulate the flowering so that the plant can flower. Okay, so this is the mechanism between the short day and long day.